Just to
I think,
follow up
oh,
on that, I
okay.
think
Mhm.
oftentimes we tend to think of digital as being allowing people to have more people to have greater access. But I'm also wondering if you found challenges related to the digital divide, where people simply don't have the kind of broadband that they really need to fully experience a digital museum. I mean, Director Hartig, if you wanted to address that.
Surely, and Lonnie knows as well that it's both the individuals and the communities, often isolated, often rural, some especially of our fellow Americans and tribal nations that don't have the kind of access that the stories of children going to school on their parents' iPhones, the huge challenges that we face in equity. The Smithsonian, I think, and so many museums across the nation really took that to heart and took that charge to heart. How we could provide written materials, published materials, printed materials, along with our digital materials, when best to even hold workshops and seminars for teachers and parents, or parents who became teachers. So we really thought through the lens of equity and accessibility and inclusivity, as well, of course, as justice, that Lonnie's leadership, of course, telegraphs to all of us, but that we really, I think, pushed forward in ways that we had not in the past. So I don't know, Lonnie, if you think
Yeah.
is that a fair
I,
assessment?
I think that's right. I think that in essence, what we've said is the Smithsonian is about fairness. So that means that as we pivoted digitally, we made sure we did no tech and low tech to make sure that we can serve all these communities. But at the heart of this was recognizing that this was a dual pandemic. That yes, it's about the virus and illness, but it's also about the illness of racism. So what was really crucial for us was also to pivot to that, to say that the Smithsonian is this amazing place, but it has a responsibility to help a country at a time of crisis. It has a responsibility to be as much about today and tomorrow as it is about yesterday. And so, with people like Anthea leading us, we were able to make sure that we gave the public tools to understand the challenges they face, to contextualize issues of race, to basically contribute in any ways we could to helping a country be made better by understanding itself in ways that it maybe hadn't before.